Hi everyone, today I want to share with you how I do microneedling at home. It's so simple and easy you won't believe it. Microneedling at home can be a great way to improve your skin's texture and appearance. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials. There are so many different tools for skincare like the Derma Pen and Derma Roller. I used to work with both of them and they can be quite painful. That's why I decided to try the Banisher. The Banisher is designed to be less painful and more effective, with ultra-thin bristles that cause less trauma to the skin while still stimulating collagen production. This brand is very popular on social media and a lot of influencers have tried it, so I decided to give it a go. The Banisher 3.0 kit includes a microneedling tool, 2 heads and a serum. The serum helps to enhance the results, promoting smoother and more radiant skin. It's so easy to attach the head to the tool and remove the cap. Plus, there are instructions included in the set, so don't worry about figuring it out on your own. It's very easy to prepare the tool for microneedling. First, remove the cap and pour 70% isopropyl alcohol up to the fill line. Let the bristle touch the alcohol for 5 minutes. Then let the tool air dry for about 2 minutes. While it's drying, I prepare my skin for the procedure by using their cleanser to wash my face. Alternatively, you can wipe your skin with an alcohol wipe. Also very important, make sure that the bristles are not damaged. Properly cleansed skin ensures that we prevent any germs from penetrating the skin and reduce the risk of infection during microneedling. Let's make sure the skin is dry and now I can start microneedling. The first area I want to treat with the Banisher is the scar near my eye and the milia, which are really annoying. You should press down the tool and lift it up 3 to 5 times in each area. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smile lines can be very annoying, so I decided to treat that area too. I am stretching my lip to the side and then pressing the Banisher 5 times in each area. 3, 4, 5. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I've got scars near my chin, so I treat that area 5 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I want to work on the sides of the eyes where the smile lines appear. Right, so again, 1, lift, 2, lift up, 3, lift up, 4, lift up, and 5. After that, I'll use the tool on the rest of the face 5 times, including the forehead, front lines, and cheeks because I have pores. This tool can also be used on the neck. The Banisher is painless and I sometimes use it on my husband's face as well. It's a great way to keep our skin looking fresh and youthful. The Banisher uses tiny bristles that create micro-injuries on the skin's surface. These micro-injuries stimulate the skin's natural healing process, promoting collagen production and skin regeneration. By stimulating collagen production, the Banisher helps to fade acne scars, reduces fine lines, and improve overall skin texture. Let me know in the comments what skin treatments you use to get rid of scars and prevent fine lines. I am always interested in trying new products and I might do a review on your recommendation. So this is how my face looks after the treatment. I wouldn't say it looks bad. It's a bit red, but this just shows that the treatment was effective. I am applying Banish Serum, which contains vitamin C and E to enhance the effectiveness of the procedure. It's very important to apply the right products on the skin after microneedling treatment. This serum will help to boost collagen production and reduce dark spots, ensuring better results. Bear in mind that the skin gets a bit warm as well, and you can feel a slight tingle sensation after serum application. Your skin will be more sensitive after microneedling, so it's crucial to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before going outside. This helps protect your skin from UV damage. And also you have to try to avoid applying makeup for at least 24 hours to allow your skin to breathe and heal properly. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Make sure you're not using any retinoids or exfoliants for a few days after the treatment to prevent irritation. Banish also offers a variety of anti-aging products and other skincare solutions to improve your skin. I hope you enjoyed my microneedling treatment and learned something new today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.